Hi guys, so today's video is going to be on the one and only Aidonia. So Aidonia will be featured on the remix of Wild Thoughts featuring DJ Khalid, Rihanna, and Bryson Tiller. And if you guys know anything about this song, you guys know that it is the anthem in the US right now for summer. Everybody and their mother, they sing Wild Thoughts. Everybody and their mother, they pull you up, they rewind it. They I don't know, I'll get featured upon Wild Thoughts remix. Oh yeah, I don't know, think shot. It sell off. It run with gun. All of who they talk, so you lazy can't talk no more. I want to them. I want to them. Okay? So Aidonia actually put up on his official Instagram that he will be featured on the Wild Thoughts remix featuring DJ Khalid, Rihanna, and Bryson Tiller. He's gonna be on the remix, and that song is a summer jam. Okay, it is hitting up the iTunes chart. I think he's been at #1 for weeks, and no, I do and I'll get featured upon it. So everybody and their mother are gonna know the song, because once this remix go out and people are gonna start playing it in their concerts, their parties, like strip club, like it's gonna be everywhere. The Jamaican parties, them, I'm sure them all rinse out the song till they can't rinse out no more. And Aidonia also dropped crazy video, I think a day ago, and the video alright in my opinion. The song though, the song sell off. So whatever video Aidonia put to the song, it go places. Aidonia have been doing his thing in the dancehall industry for 10 years straight, non-stop, and people like Masicka like to come and talk about how Aidonia lazy, and when Cartel they got jail, I did film time to step up and take over dancehall and do him own thing and just run it. But the thing with Aidonia is, me realize with him, he's all about quality. Like, there's not one Aidonia song that me hear where me not like. There's not one Aidonia song where me hear where it have its own vibes, where the lyrics them not on point. When Aidonia go into that lyricist mode, nobody can be compared to him when him get into that mode. And people can talk all what they want, talk saying lazy, talk about this, that, blah blah blah, hostel and cow, fat and cow, jump over the moon. But you have to give people props for their work and what they have done. He's been in dancehall reggae music for 10 years, putting out hits constantly. And a lot of thing with these new artists, they want like talk BS about the old artists them and try kick with them foot. But in order for you to kick somebody foot, you need to know exactly what they're doing. You need to hone your own craft. You need to be better than the person. So when Masicka come on and talk about Aidonia lazy and all these things, Masicka is no one to talk about Aidonia. Like Cartel can talk about Aidonia, Papi can maybe talk about Aidonia, maybe Movado can talk about Aidonia, but Masicka don't have any room to talk about people like Aidonia, because Masicka just come in a game. Me see Masicka perform on stage live already, and I wasn't impressed. Me see Aidonia perform live on stage, and him kill it. Him kill the crowd. Him jump off a stage, walk in a crowd. Like, if you're gonna talk bad about somebody, you need to be better than them. If you talk bad about them, basically, that's how I see it. So he's gonna link up with DJ Khalid and do this remix. So you know what that means. he's not only gonna have links to DJ Khalid, he's gonna have links to Rihanna, he's gonna have links to Bryson Tiller, and the links are endless when you collaborate with somebody like DJ Khalid, because when you collaborate with people like DJ Khalid, he's so foundation in the hip-hop rap industry now that everybody goes to him. Everybody collaborate. People like Chris Brown, everybody has collaborated with DJ Khalid. So once you intercept that realm and go into that space, you know, there's nothing but people there that you can collaborate with, that you can make money with, that you can be exposed to, that's gonna be expanding your brand to a wider, more diverse audience. And the thing is, a lot of Jamaican people don't understand that a lot of these Jamaican artists need their music to be global, like not international, not just stay a yard at Jamaica and people know them. Them need them things to be international and also global, because when you're talking about somebody like Aidonia and Vybz Kartel and Movado, like them name ring bells in the industry because they've been in the industry for so long. And this remix right here solidify him as one of the artists that has been in the industry for so long, because why never go to people like Alkaline, or why never go to people like Masicka, maybe, since he would like talk about Aidonia. Why never go to somebody like that to do the remix? Aidonia can bring what DJ Khalid is asking for in this remix. He can bring it up a notch even. Him can, like, me cannot wait to hear the remix of this song. Can't wait. Aidonia are doing thing, okay? Are doing thing, and his quality, we say quality over quantity, and he's bringing out quality music. I can't ask for nothing more than that. Anybody who want to ask nothing more than that, them they do too much, okay? The man come out with him summer hit song, yeah. Okay, that song straight shot, okay, shot. They played it in a Fort Lauderdale and the whole place mash up, okay, mash up. When we went to Fort Lauderdale, okay, mash up. So he might go have 2 songs floating the airwaves this whole summer, yeah. And this remix with Rihanna and Bryson Tiller and DJ Khalid. So this, me can't even put into words what he's doing right now for himself, as far as a dancehall artist and as far as expanding his brand, because this is exactly what he's doing. When you collaborate with people like Rihanna or Bryson Tiller or DJ Khalid, you're expanding your brand, you're expanding your audience, you're expanding your reach. So comment in the comment section, tell me guys what you think about this remix. Tell me if you think they can top the first one with this remix. Tell me if you think the remix are going to sell off. Tell me if you think when the remix comes out, it's actually going to play more than the original song, because the original, they rent you out on radio all the time, every day, 24/7, 365. They rent you out on radio already. So tell me if you think this remix is going to be the same thing, or do you think it's going to be better? Do you think it's going to be mediocre? Tell me in the comment section what you guys feel about this collaboration, what they feel about this remix that he's gonna put out with DJ Khalid, Rihanna, and Bryson Tiller. Tell me what you guys think, man. Just tell me everything. Like, tell me if you think it's gonna do good for his brand. Tell me if you think this is going to set his name in the dancehall industry. Like, comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think, because as you guys see, I'm very excited. I'm very enthusiastic that Poppy getting visa. No, Aidonia, they collaborate with people like Rihanna and Bryson Tiller and DJ Khalid. Like, it's a bunch of things going on in dancehall music, and I'm very proud. I'm very, very happy to see our people stepping their game up. Like, kill it, okay? Kill it this year. A few year this. So, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuce.